I'm Matt Graham, Safety Manager at Wolfe Industrial. Here, we understand that completing your project safely doesn't just happen by chance, but by embedding safety into our company culture and every aspect of our business. With this mindset, we not only invest heavily in the safety practices and equipment in the field, but also in the certification and education in our management team. We maintain compliance with the Board of Certified Safety Professionals, RAVS Plus verification in ISNetworld, preferred contractor ratings in Avetta, and incentivize our team for safe practices in our house and yours. What this means for you is that with Wolfe, you keep your costs down, your productivity up, and your most important asset safe, your people. So give Wolfe a call and put our culture of safety to work for you.